Good morning, guys. In front of me is Samsung Galaxy Tab S9, and let me show you how to block a number on this device. At first, open your phone dialer, then tap on More icon and select Settings. Here at the top of the list you will notice Block Numbers, and now you can either block all unknown colors, contacts by using this switcher, then you can enter some number manually by yourself over here, and then just tap on plus icon to add it. As you can see, from now on it is blocked. Then you can select some number from your recent callers or pick some contact of yours. So this is it. This is how you can block calls. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.